Inside, Gardaí found a female that was unresponsive. Medical assistance was given to that female, however she was pronounced dead at the scene. We believe that the female is Joanne, however at this stage has not been positively identified. Also at the rear of this premises, Gardaí found a male with injuries. The injuries were consistent with having a fall from height. That male is currently in hospital receiving treatment for these injuries. I would like to appeal to anybody that last saw Joanne on the 5th of February at Garrettstown in County Meath to contact us. Joanne also has access to a car, a silver Nissan Micra 08MH16073.
And we're hearing that a guard did very good work here in helping the man who was injured.
That's correct, yeah. Only for the swift actions of the guard from Mountjoy that went to him, stemmed his injuries, helped him with his injuries, and that certainly saved him, I would believe, yes.